गुरु प्यारी साध संगत जी, हक हक आईना गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी की बख्शी हुई फतेह बुलाओ जी। वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह। On North American soil, Sikh activist Jaswant Singh Khalra, on this month in 1995, told the story of a darkness that had taken over the world. All were afraid of this darkness, no one to resist this darkness. No one but a mere lamp, a tiny candle. The small candle with a flame on its wicked eye challenged the darkness. One candle in pitch darkness, you could see it from hundreds of miles. This single candle lit the flames of revolution and justice within the lamps nearby and across the world, spreading its light, ridding the world of this darkness. Sat Sangat Ji, it is the Sikhs' duty to be this lamp, regardless of their location. Where there is injustice, there should be a Sikh on the other side ready to fight it. We are taught about a city, Begumpura, where Bakr Vidas Ji tells us, Qaim, Daim, Sada, Shahi, Dom, Nasim, Ek So Ahi. There should be no second-class citizen, no first-class citizen. All should be equal. As we know, we stand in front of Capitol Hill, but there is not complete justice here either. There's institutionalized racism, many issues we have to fight with. We Sikhs have to fight this. This is our duty. Today we celebrate the Khalsa, and Jaswant Singh Khalra ji told us, Khalsa was formed to defend the fundamental rights of all human beings. If we fail to do this, we are not Khalsa. We were once sovereigns in Punjab. We need to remember Maharaja Ranjit Singh, Maharani Jind Kaur, Maharani Sada Kaur, Baba Banda Singh Bahadur, and my Papa. We need to remember that resistance has been in our blood since Guru Nanak Dev Ji called Babur a tyrant. He called Babur Jawar. Resistance has been in our blood since Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji donned the swords of media and Piri. And this resistance will continue for the Padshahi of the Sikhs and for justice throughout the world. Andhkar Deepak Pragase. Where there is darkness, lamps will be lit. That is all I have to say. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.